so sorry, friends. Caught me here reading Matthew. Matthew chapter 10, verse 16. I am sending you out like sheep into the midst of wolves. So be wise as serpents and innocent as doves. This reminds me of a little story Auntie Winifred's nephews, Matthew and David, told me. But really, don't try to make sense of this. It's not gonna happen.
My name is Matthew.
My name is David.
And this is about
the Dog Wars.
Once upon a time, there was a boy named
Billy Bob, and he was very, very silly.
And once he saw a rock on the ground, and he picked it up, and
it talked to him, and he got shrunk into a dog.
Then he started running everywhere, because of course he was a dog, and eventually he started getting used to it and found
a lightsaber. So he started cutting down trees, and he was surprised that
other dogs didn't pay attention to him, or any other humans.
So then he accidentally threw it, and it blew up the house by accident.
Then the people just walked out like it was a normal day and didn't pay attention to the house. Then a big war of dogs came along,
and they started to battle against Billy Bob.
Because this war was going on because there was a raisin on the ground and they were fighting over it.
They were fighting over the princess, who would get the princess for love.
And they were fighting over the raisin.
And all dogs love raisins. So one dog just touched it, and then Billy Bob cut his head off.
And then one of the dogs ran towards the raisin, and the raisin blew up.
So all dogs went home pouting Mrs. Wines.
And the princess was still standing in the street crying.
So in the end,
all
of the dogs
survived. The end!
The end!
So you see, ladies, it's important to be as wise as serpents and as innocent as doves. So until next time, this is Winifred, the Wesleyan librarian, saying ta-ta.